Hey there tech explorers, welcome to our electrifying channel. Today we are diving into the shouting and explosive world of TNT Not Working. Prepare yourself for a wild ride as we unravel the mysteries behind this confounding issue. So, you are all set for an explosive TV marathon, but when you tune into TNT, you are met with a disappointing. Fear not, fellow tech adventurers, we are here to light up the path to TNT salvation. The first step is solving this TNT puzzle is as simple as a flick of a switch. Have you tried turning your TV off and on again? Yes, it sounds cliche, but sometimes even technology needs a little reboot to regain its explosive powers. If the TNT flame still refuses to ignite, it's time to unleash the power of troubleshooting. Check your connection, my friends. Make sure those cables are firmly plugged in, as loose connections can dampen the TNT fireworks. But wait, there is more. Are you experiencing TNT overload? Your connection might be overloaded with the fire powers of multiple devices. Put those other gadgets on standby and give TNT the spotlight it deserves. If all else fails, it's time to call in the tech cavalry. Reach out to your TV provider's customer support and let them handle the explosive situation. They have got the skills to defuse the problem and get your TNT working again. Remember, fellow tech adventurers, patience and a sense of humor will carry you through even the most explosive situations. So keep calm, stay positive, and soon you'll be back to enjoying the TNT extravaganza. That's all for today's explosive adventure. Until next time, stay tech-tastic.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.